Hi friends, in this video we will be discussing the comparison between inner joint and outer joint. Let's say we have two different tables. One is employee profile table on the left hand side and department table on the right hand side. So both tables have a common column, department ID. So we will join these two tables using inner joint and outer joint with help of this common column, department ID. So how the inner join will behave and how it will give the result and how outer join will give result, we will see. In case of inner join, it will compare the common column. For example, we have 101 on both the table, 102 on both the table, but 103 is not there on the right hand side table, 104 is not on the left hand side table. In this case, inner join will take all the rows that has department ID on both the tables. In this case, you can see we have both 101 and 102 on both the tables. So it will take the first two rows of both the tables, combine it and print it. See, this is the output of inner join. It will take only the department IDs that are present on both the tables. In case of outer join, it will take all the values of both the table, but in case if, for example, here 103 is there in the left hand side table and it is not on the right hand side table. In that case, this row 3, Charlie 103 will be present on the table output row, but for the right hand side columns it will add null. You can see for 3 Charlie 103 equivalent department ID is not there on the right hand side table, that is department table, so it is adding null value for the other columns. In same case, 104 is present on the department table but not present on the employee table. In that case, 104 and finance will be there on the right hand side. Equivalent rows will be null. So this is the difference between inner join and outer join.